Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So at the first you have to simply open notification bar, as you can see, then open it another time to make it on the full list, and then tap on the pencil. When we are here, we can simply adjust position of these icons, click hold and then drag. If you want to remove one of these icons, click hold and then put it here. If you want to add additional icons, for example, you want to use the do not disturb mode, click hold, put it here. After that, when you go back, everything will be saved. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.